So it's summertime and we want to get in shape, feel our best, feel confident, and look better in our clothes. And one of the exercises that I always design for our clients at Own Your Fitness is push-ups. But however, have you ever seen yourself in the mirror, checked your form, or seen anyone in the gym or anywhere online do push-ups like this? Or you might have seen this. That right there is your body telling you that you have a weak core and a weak upper body, and more importantly, you're doing push-ups the wrong way. So today I'm going to actually teach you on how to do push-ups at the level you're at. And actually this is called beginner level negative push-ups, or just simply put, negative push-ups. Start with your chest all the way down to the floor, right here. Keep your knees and your legs on the floor. Step 1, lock your elbows out. Step 2, on your feet, on the balls of your toes. Reverse engineer, knees, hips, down. Push, knees, hips, down. Push, knees, hips, down. Push, knees, hips, down. Okay, so that is how you do negative push-ups. It keeps your core stable, brings your chest all the way down to the floor and back, gets you a good workout in terms of sculpting, toning, core strength training, and keeps your back out of danger. Good luck.